to close the bracelet, I will twist the cord around my finger. I will create this loop. I will put the cord through this loop like this. Now I will take the other cord, put it through the loop this way, and I will tighten this knot. And now I have made a sliding knot, and by means of this sliding knot I will be able to open and to close my bracelet. This way. We can also make a sliding knot by superposing these two cords and by taking a bit of black cord and creating the sliding knot. In order to create a sliding knot, I will superpose these two cords like this, and I will make an overhand knot like this. I will make this knot this way, and I will start creating the loops. I will create the first loop by bending the cord like this. I'll take the other cord, put it over the first cord, under the two cords, and out through this loop. And I will make the first knot. The next step is to create another loop on the opposite side. I will put this cord over this other cord, under the two cords, and out through this loop. And I have made the second knot. And let's continue making these knots. Until the cord will be too short. And now that I have created the sliding knot, I will make one knot here. To prevent it from opening. And cut the end of the cord. And I will also create a knot on this other side. And now that I've created a knot on this side as well, I will also cut the cord, and I have created a sliding knot. And I will use this sliding knot in order to open and close the bracelet like this. now let's talk about the first option of tying a bracelet. So if I have a bracelet with two cords, two ends like this, I can simply make a simple knot like this, tie the cords like this once, and if I want to make sure that it won't fall off my wrist, I make another knot like this. So this is the most simple option for tying a bracelet. Like this.